Welcome to the course Cybersecurity in the AI Age. Every day, millions of people interact with digital systems, sending emails, approving requests, sharing files, logging into services, and making decisions based on information they trust. We rarely stop to think about it, but modern life now depends on invisible systems working correctly, securely, and reliably. When those systems fail, the consequences are no longer minor inconveniences. Operations stop, money is lost, private information spreads, reputation is damaged, and sometimes the problem isn't discovered until long after the event has already occurred. Cybersecurity is often imagined as a technical field, something handled by programmers, IT teams, or specialized experts. But that understanding is incomplete. Today, cybersecurity is not just about computers, it is about decisions. Modern attacks rarely begin with breaking software, they begin with human interaction. A message, a request, a login, a conversation, or a moment of trust. The attacker does not need to defeat the system if the system willingly grants access. At the same time, artificial intelligence is changing the environment. AI has not created cybercrime, but it has transformed how quickly and convincingly attackers can operate. Messages can now be personalized at scale. Voices can be imitated. Communication can appear natural, urgent, and believable. As a result, traditional warning signs are disappearing. Poor grammar, obvious scams, and unrealistic messages are being replaced by professional looking communication that fits perfectly into everyday work. This course is designed to give you something more valuable than technical detail, a mental model. You will learn how cyber attacks actually unfold, why organizations become targets even when they are not specifically chosen, how attackers use psychology and not just software, what happens after an initial compromise, and how organizations detect, respond to, and recover from incidents. We will also explore the core principles behind security, confidentiality, integrity, and availability, and why protecting systems ultimately means protecting trust. Most importantly, this course does not require a technical background. Cybersecurity awareness is not about memorizing tools or learning programming. It is about understanding risk, recognizing situations, and knowing when verification matters more than speed. By the end of this course, you should no longer see cyber incidents as mysterious or unpredictable. Instead, you will understand them as structured processes that follow patterns, have incentives, and can be managed. Cybersecurity in the modern world is not a specialist concern. It is an operational reality of participating in a connected society. This course is your foundation for understanding that reality. Let's begin.